Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 10.4 question number 1. Construct triangle ABC given measure of angle A is 60 degree, measure of angle B is 30 degree and AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. First of all, draw a rough triangle to get an idea how to draw the triangle. First of all, draw a triangle, rough triangle, that is suppose this is AB, this is A and this is B, and here this is C point. Right? Here AB is 5.8 centimeter, AB is 5.8 centimeter, and measure of angle A is this is 60 degree, and measure of angle B is 30 degree. Measure of angle B, this is 30 degree. Right? First of all, what you have to do, take a ruler. First of all, take a ruler. First of all, take a ruler and make a side 5.8 centimeter exactly. This is 5.8 centimeter. Let us draw a line that is 5.8 centimeter. 5.8. Here you see, this is exactly 5.8 centimeter. Right? Now, you write the name of this line as A and B. Here it is A, it is B, and this is 5.8 centimeter. 5.8 centimeter. Right? Now draw an angle of 60 degree at point A. For that, take a protractor. Let us take a protractor and put the protractor at the proper position. Put the point protractor at the proper position so that we may get an angle of 60 degree. Right? Here you see this is 20, 40, this is 60 degree, make an angle of 60 degree. Here you see this is 60 degree, means this point is 60 degree. Right? Now, with the help of ruler, join this line. With the help of the ruler, with the help of this ruler, join this line. Right? Now draw this line. Right? You have drawn an angle of 60 degree here. Here you see this is 60 degree. Angle A, this is 60 degree. Now at point B you have to make an angle of 30 degree. Right? Again, take the protractor and place the protractor at proper position. Right? You will take an angle of 30 degree. Here you see this is 10, 20, this is 30. Therefore, make a point here at this point. You get an angle of 30 degree. Right? Now join this point with the help of the protractor. Join this point with the help of protractor. Join this point with the help of protractor. With the help of ruler, join this line. Yes, right? Now if we join this line, you'll get the required triangle. Right? Now here you see, this point is C point, this point is C. And this angle we got as 30 degree. 30 degree. Now here you see that we got that measure of angle A is equal to 60 degree. Measure of angle B is equal to 30 degree. And AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. 5.8 centimeter. This is the required triangle. This is the required triangle. This is the required triangle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.